Hi there, KOT here. Today, I want to show you how you can improve a picture or an image with such a background which looks unpresentable to something like this, which looks more neat and presentable with just a click away. If you are ready, let's check it out. Alright, so what's happening here is I try to visualize the data in a software, and this is the output. I need this output in my work, but unfortunately I'm not able to download this, and it seems like there's no option in the software to enable me to get this. So I'm just going to go straight and snap it and paste it in my Word document or PowerPoint. Then I can do the editing. So I'll just snap this using a shortcut, Windows X, Windows Shift X. Alright, so just going to take it to the edges. Good. So when you use the shortcut to snap, it will copy it onto your clipboard, and you can just go ahead to your Word or PowerPoint to paste it. Or you can also start and then search snap. Alright, and you get a 2-year snapping tool, and then you can just go to new, right, which will allow you to also snap it. So that one also gives you access. You just go straight to, in this case I'm using PowerPoint to do it, so I'll just paste whatever I snap into my PowerPoint. Alright, so what we can see here is that the background for the image, and then the background for either your Word document or your PowerPoint, you see that the colors are different, and when you present this, it looks unprofessional, and everybody will see, oh, okay, you just cut this image from a software, or just pick it online or anything. Right, it's not giving you the best that you want. So I want to do away with this ash color, alright, and then get a white color just like the background. So to do this is just a click away. Just click on the image, and then you see that on the menu bar at the last end you see picture format. Just click on picture format, or better still, you can just double click on the image and it will take you straight to picture format. Then under the adjustment group of command, you see corrections. Alright, so there's a drop down there, just click on it. Then with this you see various displays, sharpen or soften, brightness or contrast. Alright, so I want to change the brightness. I want to pick something, brightness of plus 20% and contrast of minus 40, or you can pick anything. That helps you to do away with the background, right? The background that is not making your work look presentable. So let's just choose one of them and then see what happens. Alright, so I want to pick this. So you could see that I've been able to remove the background as I cropped from the software, and now the image, alright, fits in very well with the background of the PowerPoint. And when you copy this to Word, it gives you a nice image. You can even go ahead and do other things to it to make it more brighter. You can still double click or go to picture format. You can go to color, and then you increase the the color and other the saturation. Alright, you can increase the color saturation. You can also increase the color tone. You can even recolor it, alright, if you want it black and white or whatever. You can do a lot of things to it, which will make your image look very nice in your work. Right, so don't just crop and paste or just put in any image. Images are very critical these days in our works, whether in our presentations or in our Word documents. We have to make sure we get the best quality images in our work. All right, so you can just do this. You can explore other commands under the picture under the picture menu. You come to adjust group of commands. There are other commands here or other functions here you would like to explore, like artistic effects. All right, it's adds something to it. You can just check it out. All right, then yeah, there are other things like transparency. All right, so how transparent you want your figure to be, you can do all those things here. You can also compress, I mean, a picture. If the picture looks so heavy, all right, you can compress it here, and then yeah, it works well. You can also, I mean, do other things with it. Do you know you can remove the background here? So check out the next episode, which I'm going to show you how to remove a picture or an image background using the remove background. All right, so if you like this short tutorial, just like and then share. If you've not subscribed and you are new to the channel, just hit the subscription button and be part of the family so that whenever I drop a new video, you can get updates.